Allison, can you explain what internet is?
I still love technology.
Pretty amazing.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to learn how to add our first blog, which is basically like an online journal, to our website. We're going to be reflecting on some of our recent work. So for starters, you're going to click on the proper class you're in. I'm going to go to my fake class for now, and I'm going to open up the digital safety reflection. Once you have it open, it'll look like this. So I'm going to go through this. So this is a blog about our digital safety reflection. We've been doing some assignments recently about digital safety and being a good digital citizen. So we're now going to be answering some questions and reflecting on those assignments. It's worth 20 points. So the directions: answer all the questions below on your blog. Be sure to use IQIA, which is include the question and the answer. Also, be sure to use complete sentences when answering each question. So step 1, you're going to be watching this tutorial video, which will be down here attached to the assignment when I'm done making it. Then you're going to go to your blog page, and you're going to title your blog page Digital Safety Reflection. You're going to copy all 6 questions from below using Control-C for copy and Control-V for paste. Answer all the questions, like I said, using IQIA and complete sentences. Publish or save your website. So the questions are right here that you're going to copy. So you're going to end up clicking and highlighting all of these and copying them. But let's go back up here to the first step. We need to go to our website. So how do you do that? Well, first you're going to go and click on your waffle. Make sure you're signed into the proper Scan Warriors account. And then you're going to click on your waffle. And then you're going to scroll down until you find the blue, white, and gray one called Sites. Click on Sites. Now be careful, sometimes if you have an additional Google account signed in on the top right, sometimes it switches it. So when you click on Sites, be sure, this is very important, click on your person icon again and make sure you're in your Scan Warriors account, your student account for Scan Warriors. Click on your website. Okay, and you should have all of your pages already set up. Okay, if not, you need to go to Pages right here, and you need to hit this plus button on the bottom, which is right there. You just hit plus, and then you title it Blog, B-L-O-G. Okay, now I've got 2 of them, one here, so I only need 1. So I'm just going to click on those 3 dots, delete it. So you need to go to your blog page. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to Insert, and you're going to click on this layout right here. There's a picture, a title, and some text. So click on that one, and there you go. So let's go back to Google Classroom to see what it says. So now what does it say? So I'm on my blog page on my website. Title your blog Digital Safety Reflection. You can even just copy and paste, Control-C. Go back to your website. Click for the title up here, Control-V, Digital Safety Reflection. Okay, now what's the next step? Copy and paste all 6 questions from below. Okay, so I need to highlight the 6 questions, just the questions, 1 through 6, Control-C for copy. Go back to my website, and I'm going to click right here where it says, right below the title, where it says click to edit text. Click right there, Control-V as in Victor. Alright, so now we're going to need to answer these, but let's double check Google Classroom. After I've copied and pasted all the questions, you're going to answer the questions using IQIA, which is include your question in the answer, and use complete sentences. So now I need to go back to my website. So the first question, and you can just start typing and answer the question right there, or you can even hit enter or return. So when you hear the term digital safety, what does it mean to you? So IQIA means that I need to rephrase this question in my answer. So I'm not just going to put like, it means I need to be safe. Okay, that's not using IQIA. That's not a complete sentence. So you do not want to do that. So what you need to do to use IQIA, I know you do this in history and also in English, you need to rephrase the question in your answer. So you need to say, when I hear the term digital safety, okay, It means that I need to be smart about what I post online at all times. So there's a complete sentence, and I used IQIA. I rephrased the question in the answer. And if you want, you can either bold your answers if you want. Alright, you can even change the theme over here. Click theme, and you can change the theme to try something different if you want to do different color. But you need to continue answering all 6 questions. So here's number 2. Just click on the N, hit enter, and again, start answering this question using IQIA and a complete sentence. So let's go back to Google Classroom. Alright, and then also you need to insert the requirements. You need to insert one photo about digital safety. So all you need to do for that is come up here to the plus sign right next to your blog and hit the plus sign, and you can just do select image, and you can search right here, Google image search. I'm just going to type in digital safety. I need to insert one image about digital safety, and I'm going to go just choose an image that I like about digital safety. So I'm going to choose this one. And then you're just going to click insert over here. And there you go. You can make your picture smaller, bigger, whatever you would like. And once you are done with your entire blog, you've answered all 6 questions using IQIA and complete sentences. All you simply do is come up to the top right and click Publish, which is the same thing as Save. So you click Publish again. Now your website's saved. You need to do nothing on Google Classroom other than come back to Google Classroom, and you don't need to add any work or add any links. You don't need to do any of that, because I'll be looking at your websites myself later, and you just simply need to come right here and click Mark as Done. So mark is done, mark is done. And then your digital safety reflection assignment in your blog, your first blog on your website, is now done. Let me know if you have any questions.